People do not know exactly what is the meaning of this term personality. There is so much of confusion about this term. Some people think personality is about public speaking. Some people think it is about looking better than the other. Some feel it is about showing confidence in front of an audience. But let me clarify. Public speaking and showing confidence are a byproduct of having a great personality. You may ask me, what makes a person have a great personality? And the answer is pretty simple. People who have great personality exactly know who they are and what they want in their life. Understand this. You do not need to pretend or act in a certain way just to show others that you are worthy. All you need to do is to learn how to showcase your own true self. You need to feel worthy, successful and confident from the inside, not from the outside. And this for us is the true meaning of having a great personality. This is why I have created this course for you, to make you understand about yourself, change your mindset about pre-assumed beliefs, to make yourself bold, strong and confident every time and every place, and ultimately to make you the best version of your own self. So let me introduce myself. My name is Abhishek Paul. I am the co-founder of Reboot Personality, black belt in karate, certified yoga instructor and MSc in yoga therapy. And I had this very basic question: how can I build my personality? And whatever I have learned and experienced myself, I have given you in this extensive course called Master Your Personality. This course has 8 modules having 11 plus hours of on-demand videos, and along with it 50 plus exercises to help you understand yourself and change your personality. The first module is about confidence, where we are going to learn about the true sources of confidence and how you can build an everlasting source of confidence for yourself. Then we are going to learn about who we are and try to find our own self. Then on that, we are going to build a very strong self-image, and along with it, a very positive self-esteem. Remove any kind of negativity or blocks in your mind or your personality, and just make you realize that how good you really are, so that you can feel good about your own self. The second module is about non-verbal communication skills. Why is it important and why it is beneficial for you to learn? We will also understand how great people use their body language for their own benefit, and along with it, do the exercises and practices to help you make a very strong and positive body language. The third module is about verbal communication skills. Why is it important for you and why you should learn it? We will discuss in this module. We will also learn about the characteristics of a person who has a good communication skills. We will understand all these characteristic values, the do's and don'ts, and try to imbibe in our own self. The fourth module is about speech techniques. There are some people who instantly make a connection with the other without uttering much words, because they know how to use this voice box. Politicians, the people who are orators, public speakers, exactly know how to use this voice box. So we will learn about the proper techniques of how to use our voice box in the best way possible, so that we are able to make a genuine connection with the others, and people are also interested in listening to what we have to say. Fifth module is about finding your own true self. Do you exactly know what do you want in your life? What you are capable of? What are your passions and your visions? Well, in this module, we will understand who we truly are, try to find our passions, try to make a vision and work for it by making the passion into a specific goal and dividing those goals into a proper habit. I will give you proper techniques to make a vision achievable by working every single day. This is important because all the successful people, all the confident people exactly know who they are and what they want in their life. But I could have completed this whole course right here. But I have seen in real life that even after knowing everything, even after understanding yourself completely, when we go out in this real world, there is a sense of nervousness in our stomach. We feel nervous, anxious sometimes. And because of these feelings, we are not able to showcase our best self. Hence, I have inculcated this whole module of understanding yourself and removing your stress properly, managing your stress. I will give you proper techniques so that you can use them in real life situations and overcome all the obstacles and stress in your life. Because without proper stress management, you won't be able to showcase the best version of yourself because of these blocks and these fears that we have created in our own mind. I want to shatter all these things and give you the best possible solution. The last module is about fitness and nutrition. This module is about the physical aspect of the personality. A lot of times I have seen people having great communication skills are able to express themselves completely and make a genuine connection with others and get whatever they want. But because of their wrong habits, they're not able to maintain their whole body. And because of this, they feel insecure in their own body, whether they are getting too much fat or they're getting too skinny. Hence, I have given you proper exercises that you can follow to maintain this whole body and proper nutrition that irrespective of what kind of body you have, where you live, you just have to follow very simple basic techniques to completely make your body healthy and your mind sound. For me, mental health is very important, and because of this reason, I have given you a proper guided meditation technique that you can use anytime you want to make your mind relaxed, calm, which will help you take better decisions in your life. Hence, when you combine all these things together, you get a 360-degree of personality development. And this 360-degree approach to this whole concept of personality is what makes this course unique and stand out from the rest. I feel some people are extremely talented, some are very well organized, some are very hardworking, some people are very good looking. But in the absence of a great personality, they're not able to express themselves, make a connection with others, or just be socially visible. Well, if you are like this, then it is time for you to change, to understand yourself and build on yourself and learn yourself for your own benefit. So what are you waiting for? Get on board. Let us take this journey together, a journey to reboot and master your personality. Click on the link given in description below and go to our website www.rebootpersonality.com. Click on preview course to watch the sample videos. Also check our curriculum to understand deeply what you are going to learn and take a step to become the best version of yourself.